Hensel Phelps got selected to do the curbside project back in 2018, and what it is the Tampa Airport developed an express curbside that allows people that got their ticket on their phone, they can just go straight up to the transfer level out to the gates. This is one of the first projects in the world that has this type of system. From day one, when we were awarded the design build project, the airport's executive VP, Al Illustrato, he made the simple statement to us that this is an airport first and a construction site second. And when we brought on, some of the key players like APG, they brought on that mantra as well.
This project has been very challenging due to the logistics, working within the confines of the existing terminal, literally working adjacent to passengers and the operations of the airport. And it just took a more dedicated, prepared team.
We had to replace the entire electrical service for the main terminal and switch it over while it was operating. APG was a very trusted partner.
Very early on in the project, we did a thorough review of the construction documents. We identified the shutdowns as being a portion of the project that presented the most risk. So when we ordered the new materials, those new materials came in built appropriately for what was existing. We present this first to Hensel Phelps, the general contractor, get their feedback, and then as a team we sit down with the airport and we discuss this and get the airport's feedback, so we make sure everybody collectively understands the impact to their operations, and we're going to perform that work successfully with their input.
After they started turning things on, it all went as smooth as you could imagine.
Qualities that we're looking for in companies are ones that are thinking ahead and understanding what a schedule is, understanding how to get the pieces and parts in place, and really being prepared. Safety and quality are key.
Quality control here is managed through the specifications provided by our design team. APG is one of our top electricians that I've ever worked with. Their attention to detail, their knowledge of the plans, specifications, contract drawings, really, it's an elevated contractor.
The workmanship was outstanding with APG.
APG always was up to the task at hand, well prepared and adapted well throughout the course of the project.
One of the good things about APG, and a lot of contractors don't do this, they empower their employees on the job site. So Chris and Josh both had the ability to make the decisions at the job site level. Both of them were in the field daily, and we had literally a matter of 25 yards between us. So any issues that arose, we just came to each other's trailers and resolved them.
As a project manager on the job, my main responsibilities are to maintain the financial aspect of the job. When there is a change in scope, to maintain a good relationship with Hensel Phelps, it's always good to go have a conversation before you send them any sort of pricing so that they can be aware of potential cost impact on the job.
A lot of the projects that we work with, the electricians seem to be the ones that are kind of falling behind. The opposite happened with APG. APG through that project has been pushing. They were on top. They had the manpower.
If there's ever any issues with procurement, getting material on site in time, the guys in the field will step up to work that schedule so that, make up for the delays, and they all do it safely.
We all collectively came together and performed at a high level.
Open communication both ways. It was a pleasure working with them.
At the end of the day, they made it all happen. They made me look good.
We built such a strong relationship with the construction team. It means a lot to me.
They've done a phenomenal job, and we look forward to working with them for many years to come as well.